What I want to show you today is both the hardware and the software I'm just holding in my hands. Let's begin with the hardware, because what you will see right now is the 4.7-inch quite nice e-paper display, nice, to which you can connect the touch layer, but it's not present in this hardware as I'm showing to you, which is based on the ESP32, and that means that it has Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, really a lot of processing power and a lot of nice goodies that come with the ESP32. A place for the 18650 lithium charging unit, a few buttons you can use as you want, as well as external connection ports, which cost, guess how much this board costs on the AliExpress when ordered single unit. How much? How much would you pay for something like that? 30, 40, 50 bucks? No, I paid 27 American dollars with this really honestly super nice hardware with the USB-C port over here. And for the price, it's amazing thing what you can do for the price with the 4.7-inch e-paper display. By the way, this thing hardware comes from the Lilygo, and if you're looking for interesting ESP32 boards, just search for the Lilygo or TTGo. TTGo? Yes, TTGo. And then there is this software part of the project, which also is as much interesting as the hardware itself. The project itself is called the OWM Weather Display and is based on the OpenWeatherMap project, which provides open and free information about the weather data all around the world that you can download from the GitHub as the open source project, which I see is probably licensed under the, well, there is no license, so we can assume this is the GPL. Compile by yourself on your Arduino using the Arduino IDE or Visual Studio Code and flash to this thing. Honestly, in the beginning I wanted that, okay, I will get this board, maybe I will write something, it will be super nice and thing to use. But when I flashed this software from the guy called G6AJD, the link to the project is in the description, I decided, no, this thing stays on my desk as my weather information center of how amazing the project is. By the way, it uses, of course, the Wi-Fi to connect to your local network and get every 30 or an hour current weather information for exactly your location from the OpenWeatherMap. And yeah, it just sits on my desk showing me what's the weather today and how the weather will look like tomorrow and in the next few days. Here is the next video you should watch, and you will find some useful links and other information in the description of this video. In the meantime, this was the Hacker University. I'm Paweł Spychalski. Thank you very much for watching, and like always, happy hacking!